alone in a room. It's just me and you. I feel kind of lost, and I don't know what to do. Lord, what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you, so I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Does anybody feel like this? My hopes and dreams are fading fast. I'm all burned out, and I don't think my strength is gonna last. So I'm crying out to you, Lord. I know that you're able to pull me through. I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems just a little bit cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up. Show me how to do things your way. Lord, don't let me make the same mistake over and over again. Your will be done, and I'll be the one to make sure there won't be any doubt. That's why I want to talk to you. Yes, I do. Ask